Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at some historical dates and situations, historical dates and situations that are connected with the Abua people. The correct way of addressing Abua people when the four groups gather is from order of birth: Abua, Ottawa, Okpeden, and Amugan. So we will say Buan, Rotawa, Rokpeden, Remugan, Mimak. Then the concept of Adigom is a barrier to stop evil from entering the village, town, or community. The concept of atoning: when death occurs, a person from the mother of the dead must perform a certain ceremony. The Abua Degema Road was constructed in 1907. Chief Obuge Egiom of Otare died 18th March 1923. Igbanimoye of Amalem died in 1928. Abua Postal Agency was established in 1938. Abua Dispensary was built in 1933. Abua Maternity Home was built in 1941. Chief Oko Ogida of Amalem died 11th November 1939. Abua Ezue Union's anniversary is 24th February 1952. Abua became separate rural district in 1958. Abua had her own rural district council with country powers in 1961. The laying of foundation of OPD hospital was in February 1965. And the Abua Odwa local government area, Abolga, was created on 30th September 1991. These are some of the dates that we hold dear among the Abua people. We encourage you to like, to share, and then to subscribe. See you in my next video.